So according to this, you have to have an Apple Watch Series 4, 5, or 6, or the new Apple Watch SE. Yes, Visible Wireless now supports the Apple Watch Cellular. Now, let's talk about how to add it. Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech. And if we're meeting for the first time, I'm your host, Eddie. And on this channel, I'm typically talking mobile tech. So today, guys, yes, the rumors have been going around. And I've actually made a video on this. And today is the day. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add the Apple Watch Cellular to your plan. So guys, let's go ahead. We're going to dive right on in here. So I was actually a little surprised. I went to the Visible website and this information is actually not up front and center. You actually have to dig a little bit for it. So in the description, I have the link for you. So here we go. What you have to do, you have to scroll all the way down here until you get to this Apple Watch. Time to bring your Apple Watch to Visible for only $5 a month. And honestly, I was thinking to myself, are they really going to charge $10 like all the other providers out there? I thought Visible was supposed to be the so-called budget-friendly provider. So honestly, one of the best values that I've seen so far. And we're going to get this connected here. Bring your Apple Watch to Visible, get the best value for your Apple Watch. The unlimited data with service powered by Verizon, just $5 a month. The taxes and fees all included, which honestly, I wish more carriers would actually do that. I love that philosophy. So how it works, you have to have a compatible iPhone. Activate your phone on the Visible service, which I'm assuming most of you have already done that. Or maybe you're just watching this video to see if maybe I should switch to Visible. So you can check out my channel. I have a whole bunch of videos covering Visible. So that might help you out there. So you can add the Apple Watch here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then enjoy Visible here. So here's the plan. So how you add this, guys, is on your iPhone. Now, I've got an iPhone 12 mini here. You have to open it up, go to the Apple Watch app, and then under the My Watch tab, tap on the Cellular, tap on Setup Cellular, and then follow the instructions. It really is as simple as that. So here's a couple facts and questions I'll go over for those of you who might be interested. How does the Apple Watch work with Visible? So according to this, you have to have an Apple Watch Series 4, 5, or 6, or the new Apple Watch SE. And it has to have the cellular version. So the difference between the non-cellular and the non-cellular, you have to have your phone always around. The cellular is what I'm talking about right now. So you can basically leave your phone at home if you want and just go on a jog, on a run, what have you, and not have to worry about carrying your phone. So honestly, it's a little convenience. So what number will the Apple Watch use? It uses the same exact phone number that your iPhone has. And how much does it cost? Just $5 a month, guys. $5 a month. All right, so if you're not a Visible member yet, how do I activate it? So you have to be a member of Visible. So once you get that out of the way, like I said, follow the instructions that I just gave you here, and then you're good to go. So what happens if I add my Apple Watch mid-payment cycle? You will be prorated for your first month of service. So honestly, that is very cool. So really, you're not really losing out. So anyway, guys, as always, I got straight to the point on this video. I basically just wanted to let you know that it was active, it was available. Like I said in my previous video, I talked about it was confirmed, but there were no details on it. So wanted to go ahead and give you guys that update that I was talking about. So guys, it's here. Go ahead, add it, and enjoy. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. You were searching for the Visible Wireless, how to go ahead and add the Apple Watch, and you came across this video. You're thinking to yourself, man, Eddie, I appreciate the content. I encourage you for yourself to check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, consider subscribing to the channel, ticking that little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So anyway, guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. On this channel, I go through the cell phone providers. I give you the tips and tricks. We go through the coverage map, speed test, the whole gamble. So if you enjoy that, show your support, and I greatly appreciate it, guys. And until next time.